Hey guys, Luke Pearce here, back with another very important video, as you would know, to change the way that you think, feel, act, and experience this beautiful thing called life. I want to take you through something that is very simple and very profound. If you've been watching these videos for a while, obviously you know that's what I'm all about. Keep it simple, keep it very effective. There's two reasons why you do or what you do. Let's go through them. It's P or P. Pain or pleasure. Right, pleasure. However it's spelled. Is that how it's spelled in energy?
Yep. Beautiful.
Just there, something like that, right? So it's pain or pleasure. Now, you can literally do this for anything that you're doing. You understand why you do what you do when you understand this principle. So let's just say someone wants to go to the gym. All right, understand that this is obviously sort of negative and this is positive. This can also be negative, this can also be positive. But someone wants to go to the gym and they're not going to the gym. Someone comes in the office and says, hey Luke, I really want to work on my health and fitness, but I'm not going to the gym. What do I know? I know that they link more pain to going to the gym than pleasure. Okay, I know that they link more pain to going to the gym than pleasure. So they don't go to the gym because the gym equals pain. But what about if they had this little bit of information, this little bit of code within their unconscious mind? And over here was the body of their dreams. All of a sudden, the pain of the gym becomes very, very tiny compared to the body of their dreams. So now all of a sudden someone starts going to the gym because this is what they want. Beforehand, this is what they were focusing on without that, and therefore the action, their behavior, didn't back up what it is that they wanted to do. All right, same thing. Let's just say someone wants to start their own business and make a lot of money. I'm all for that. But what if they say that by them starting a business and making a lot of money, that other people are going to think, negatively about them? They're going to say, oh my God, you see that person? They started doing this and they started doing that and whatever it might be. Guess what they don't do? They definitely do not take action within their business. They definitely don't put themselves out there. They definitely don't market. They definitely don't sell. They definitely don't do anything. They definitely don't, grow how they want to grow because their dream is not on here. But what if their dream business was? And the pleasure of their dream business would make this very, very small. If not, insignificant and gone, right? They would go like an absolute rocket. What else? Well, here we go. Let's do this. Let's flip the coin. What if you've got something that is so-called pleasurable, but is bad for you? Which could be what? It could be gambling, it could be any kind of addiction, it could be, what's a good example? Let's just say that someone is, well, let's use gambling, right? So let's just say gambling. Gambling is here. Now, it's producing a lot of pleasure, but the person doesn't want to do it because they're spending way too much cash. Well, then what you would do is the only reason why they're doing that is because the pain at the unconscious level has not been linked up. So what if we found out what it is that they love the most and we found out that it was their family, all right, their family, and at the unconscious level, we link them together, and by them actually gambling, it's taking their family away, which is going to cause a high level of pain for that individual. Guess what that gambling is going to do? It's going to stop. Right? It's going to stop, or it's going to significantly go down. And that could be like the same as eating the food that you don't want to eat. That could be the same as smoking. I mean, damn, smoking is another good one. This is smokers in a nutshell. Main reason why people smoke is they think they're getting more pleasure than pain. Yeah, but it de-stresses me at work. Okay, cool, there's other ways that you can de-stress at work. But the smoking has not been linked up with either like death, money being burnt, what else? Losing family, whatever their pain points might be. When that link is made, this stops. So pain and pleasure can be used just like anything. It can be used for negative and positive and negative. Really powerful. So hope that helps out. If you ever want to find out why you do what you do, think about pain or pleasure. Hope it helps out.